Yup, y'all know the vibe. It is Smooth Life Time, man, and we are back with another video, man. Yeah, how my smooth life has been. Hey, man, go ahead and like that video now. And if you're a new viewer, man, go ahead and become a smooth lifer. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're almost at 1K, man. So y'all go ahead, subscribe, man. Hey, we got some goodies in the mail today. Look, man, we got that box. You know what they say? What they say? So y'all know it's that exhaust thing, man. It's an AWE catback. So not just the axle back, not just the little axle pipes and all that. It's the full catback. So secondary cats in back. So it's behind the secondary cats, man. So man, we're gonna get to this unboxing right away because I know you guys wanna see just like I do. This is my first time opening this box. As you can see, it has all the little things in it, man. So hey, y'all gonna see my first official reaction. And I guess you guys are gonna see y'all's first official reaction too. So let's get to it. All right, let's go ahead and start this unboxing now. All this paper out there. So y'all can see, man, we got our clamps. Let me check some real quick. Wheels don't look too bad, actually. Look pretty good. Ooh, and they send the right pipes too. Okay, let's be a little bit more careful with this. So we're gonna put this back down. I'm gonna put you back down. Let's take these out the way. Look, it also says track edition. It has a, bro, this is nice quality. I'm not gonna lie. This is why I went with AWE. Look, they got a little color in the wheels too, man. Okay, AWE. Okay. Now here's the best part though. Here's why I really got this. Look at this X pipe. Okay. This is why I really got it. Look at that. Oh, let's move it this way. What does that say? AWE. The quality though. Not many exhausts come with this bar. It's got a little weight to it though, but this. Let's check the X pipe. I'm gonna take this inside into the house to one of my rooms and we can actually look at it. So all we're gonna do is a 1, a 2. So we made the transition, man. So I got it. Don't mind the room, man. This is one of my little extra empty rooms I got in my house. As you can see, this is it all spread out. Crazy, right? But you know what we got to get into, man. Gotta get in that tip, man. Pause. We gotta check look at the tips, man. So let's go ahead and start opening this thing up now. That boy got a sticker? Look at that junk. Okay, I ain't know he's getting out stickers like that. Got an install guide. Oh, he just scanned that for the install guide. Then we got some bolts. Guess for the headers. I mean, the tips. I'm thinking that's for the tips. I don't know. And then, what else? Oh. Can't forget this, man. Big blow pop. Gotta pause that too, man. Big blow pop. Cherry things, man. They got us in them grapes though. Let's check these tips out. And they're tight. Hold on, let's get this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, big tips only, I guess. Damn, what these like? These are 4.5 inches, bro. That's crazy. Got the branding on top of the tip. It's gonna look so good. The white and black contrast. So good. Let's put this back in there. I don't wanna mess up. So this is right behind the secondary caps. This is the X pipe. The hangers. This is my favorite part though. This is so nice, y'all. This is so nice. The AWN, and this is where the axle back starts. So if I just bought an axle back, it would only be this and the tips. But I bought the whole X pipe. So catback, yeah, that's me. Almost forgot to show you guys all the clamps it came with. I think 2 of these are a different size. Are they all? Oh yeah, well, 2 of them are different size because one of them has to be an adapter. Guys, I will see you guys on the installation video and the exhaust video, man. You're gonna see how loud this thing really get, man. Smooth Light Tie is out.